Hello, I am Beverly Coleman. I am a CEO and co-founder of Neocurly, which is an all-natural hair care line for all my naturals out there in the Black community. And the vision of Neocurly is to stop the colorism and texturism in the Black community and bring unity. So, in the next couple of days, Neocurly will be hosting a toy drive for some unprivileged children in the community in the Dallas area. And what we're going to do is we're going to take $3 from every product that is purchased on the Neocurly website, and we're going to purchase toys for the children. So from the 9th to the 16th, that is when we'll be hosting our toy drive. So my favorite Christmas memory personally is my parents used to buy a gift for me and my two other siblings to share. So one Christmas, my parents surprised us and they got us the whole Guitar Hero set, like band hero type thing. So we had like the drums, microphone, the two guitars and everything, and we were super excited. We were like jumping up and down. We were really happy, and we still actually have that set to this day. So how me and my siblings, we're just super surprised and happy. And we're like, oh my gosh, best Christmas ever. I just want other children to be able to feel that same feeling I got when I was younger. Happy holidays to everyone out there from me and the Neocurly family.